Evaluation of CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock downgraded after the last trading session. Updated on April 5, 2022, the CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock price fell by -2.49% on the last day, Tuesday, 5th of April 2022, from $11.47 to $11.18, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.52% from a day low at $10.86 to a day high of $11.46. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -5.57% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 365,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 1 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $15.63 million. The stock lies in the lower of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $10.32 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -6.21% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $9.68 and $14.71 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $11.60 and $12.22. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 8, 2022, and so far it has fallen -31.62%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and this stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk, stop loss. CF Acquisition Corporation, VI finds support from accumulated volume at $11.12 and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved 60 cents between high and low, or 5.52%. For the last week the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.57%. Our recommended stop loss, we hold in negative evaluation for this stock. No stop losses set. Is CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock a buy? CF Acquisition Corporation, VI holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a sell candidate. Current score, -2.055. Insiders are negative, selling more shares than they are buying in CF Acquisition Corporation, VI. In the last 2 trades there were 700,000 shares bought and 1.13 million shares sold. The last trade was done 407 days ago by CFAC Holdings VI, LLC, who sold 1.13 million shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for CF Acquisition Corporation, VI of Wednesday, April 6, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price April 6, 2022, $11.17.